A blanket of snow covers the ground. Tiny paws break through the pristine white. 3 pairs of piercing blue eyes shine out from under a huddle of white fur. Scientists gently lift the pups, revealing their incredible resemblance to their long-gone ancestors. These pups carry the very DNA of wolves that roamed the earth thousands of years ago. The concept of resurrecting extinct animals, once relegated to science fiction, was becoming a reality. Armed with modern genetics, scientists were on the verge of turning those imaginings into reality. The process hinged on the universality of DNA as the blueprint of life. By understanding and manipulating this code, scientists believed they could recreate extinct animals. The successful cloning of the white wolf pups ignited a spark of hope. The world watched with bated breath as news of the white wolf pups spread. The resurrection of ancient beasts was no longer a dream, it was a scientific endeavor. The woolly mammoth became a prime candidate for revival. Scientists set their sights on bringing these magnificent creatures back to the frozen north. The resurrection of ancient beasts had begun, forever altering our understanding of life and extinction. The resurrection of extinct animals is a delicate dance with the very fabric of life. At the heart of this endeavor lies DNA, the intricate molecule that holds the blueprint for every living organism. Extracting and deciphering this ancient code is a task fraught with challenges. The journey begins with the recovery of ancient remains, holding within them the precious molecules of DNA. Extracting DNA from these ancient samples is a meticulous process, demanding the utmost precision and care. The woolly mammoth stands as a symbol of both extinction and the tantalizing possibility of revival. The quest to bring back the woolly mammoth has become a global endeavor. Time, however, is not on their side. The DNA of extinct creatures degrades over time, its once coherent code fragmenting. Despite these challenges, the allure of the mammoth remains strong. The Pleistocene epoch witnessed the reign of awe-inspiring creatures. Today, these giants exist only as fossils. The resurrection of Pleistocene megafauna is not without its challenges. Beyond technical hurdles lie ethical and ecological considerations. The journey to bring back the ghosts of the Pleistocene is one fraught with both promise and peril. Extracting DNA from ancient remains is only the first step. The real magic happens when scientists breathe life back into these genetic fragments. The Lazarus gene acts as the conductor's baton, reviving dormant genetic material. By splicing segments of ancient DNA into the genomes of living relatives, scientists can jumpstart the engine of life. The journey from DNA fragment to living cell is a testament to scientific ingenuity. Bringing an extinct animal back to life requires a surrogate mother. Finding a suitable surrogate is a challenge fraught with complexities. The evolutionary distance between an extinct animal and its closest living relative can present significant obstacles. Scientists are exploring various solutions to overcome this obstacle. De-extinction is a complex biological puzzle, requiring a deep understanding of reproductive physiology and evolutionary history. The resurrection of extinct animals is a symphony of scientific disciplines. Geneticists, paleontologists, veterinarians, conservation biologists, and ethicists collaborate closely. Geneticists meticulously analyze ancient DNA. Paleontologists provide insights into the anatomy and behavior of extinct creatures. This intricate web of scientific collaboration is essential for navigating the uncharted waters of de-extinction. As the science of de-extinction advances, so do the ethical questions it raises. Can we bring back creatures from the past, knowing their reintroduction could have unforeseen consequences? Some argue that de-extinction is a moral imperative, a way to atone for ecological damage. Others caution against playing God, warning of potential disruptions to existing ecosystems. As we stand at the cusp of this scientific revolution, we must proceed with caution, guided by both scientific discovery and ethical responsibilities. The woolly mammoth, an icon of the last ice age, has captivated the human imagination for centuries. These majestic creatures once roamed the frozen landscapes of the northern hemisphere, shaping the ecosystems they inhabited. Their extinction is a reminder of the power of climate change and human impact. Today, scientists are working to bring back this iconic giant. Imagine herds of woolly mammoths once again roaming the Arctic tundra. The process relies on the preservation of mammoth DNA within the permafrost. Extracting ancient DNA from a frozen mammoth carcass is like opening a time capsule. Scientists compare this DNA to the Asian elephant, identifying key genes for cold adaptation. The goal is to create a hybrid elephant-mammoth with traits to survive in the Arctic. This Arctic elephant could help restore grasslands and mitigate climate change. Venture back in time to the Pleistocene epoch, a time when saber-toothed cats with their fearsome elongated canines reigned supreme as apex predators. These formidable hunters, built for strength and agility, stalked the ancient plains and forests, their presence shaping the evolutionary trajectory of their prey. Their extinction, a testament to the ever-changing dynamics of our planet, marked the end of an era. Today, in cutting-edge laboratories, scientists are exploring the possibility of bringing back this iconic predator, not to recreate the past, but to potentially restore balance to ecosystems thrown off-kilter by human impact. Imagine a world where the reintroduction of a carefully managed population of saber-toothed cats could help control populations of overabundant herbivores, preventing overgrazing and promoting biodiversity. The challenges are significant. Unlike the woolly mammoth, which has a relatively close living relative in the Asian elephant, the saber-toothed cat's lineage is more distant, making the search for a suitable surrogate mother a daunting task. Scientists are exploring a range of options, from genetically modifying existing feline species to creating artificial wombs capable of supporting the development of these extinct predators. The ethical considerations are equally complex. The reintroduction of a top predator like the saber-toothed cat would require careful planning and management to minimize potential risks to existing species and ecosystems. However, the potential ecological benefits from controlling prey populations to promoting biodiversity cannot be ignored. The tapestry of life on Earth is woven with threads of both creation and extinction. For every iconic creature that has captured our imagination, there are countless others equally fascinating and ecologically significant that have faded into the annals of prehistory. The science of de-extinction offers a glimmer of hope for these forgotten creatures, a chance to right the wrongs of the past and restore lost biodiversity. Imagine a world where giant ground sloths, once the largest land mammals in the Americas, lumber through rewilded landscapes, their massive forms dispersing seeds and shaping plant communities. These gentle giants, driven to extinction by a combination of climate change and human hunting, could play a vital role in restoring degraded ecosystems and promoting the growth of carbon-absorbing forests. The dodo bird, a poignant symbol of human-caused extinction, could also make a comeback. This flightless bird, once endemic to the island of Mauritius, was driven to extinction in the 17th century due to habitat loss and the introduction of invasive species. Bringing back the dodo, while a significant scientific challenge, could serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation and the fragility of island ecosystems. The de-extinction of these and other species, from the passenger pigeon to the Tasmanian tiger, while still in its infancy, holds immense promise for restoring lost ecological connections and rewilding our planet. It is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, the allure of the unknown, and our deep-seated desire to reconnect with the lost wonders of our planet's past. The ability to resurrect extinct animals has ignited a firestorm of ethical debate, forcing us to confront profound questions about our role as stewards of the planet. Is it hubris, the ultimate act of playing God to manipulate the very fabric of life and death? Or is it our moral imperative to right the wrongs inflicted upon the natural world, to atone for the ecological sins of our past? Imagine a world where extinct creatures roam freely once more, their presence a testament to our scientific prowess and our commitment to ecological restoration. The prospect is both exhilarating and daunting, filled with both promise and peril. On the one hand, de-extinction offers a glimmer of hope in the face of a global biodiversity crisis, a chance to reverse the tide of extinction and restore lost ecosystems. On the other hand, critics argue that tampering with the intricate web of life is a dangerous game, fraught with unforeseen consequences. What if resurrected species become invasive, outcompeting native wildlife, or disrupting fragile ecological balances? What if our well-intentioned efforts to restore the past inadvertently create even greater problems for the future. The ethical dilemma of de-extinction is not easily resolved. It demands careful consideration, ongoing dialogue, and a willingness to confront our own biases and assumptions. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we must proceed with humility, recognizing that our actions have far-reaching implications for the future of life on Earth. Section 2. The ecological equation: unforeseen consequences and cascading effects. Ecosystems are intricate tapestries woven together by threads of interdependence that have evolved over millennia. The extinction of a single species, no matter how insignificant it may seem, can send ripples throughout the entire web of life, leading to unforeseen consequences and cascading effects. The reintroduction of extinct animals, while potentially beneficial, must be approached with caution and a deep understanding of ecological dynamics. Imagine introducing a resurrected species into an ecosystem that has adapted to its absence. Without natural predators or competitors, the reintroduced species could multiply rapidly, outcompeting native wildlife for resources or introducing novel diseases. The unintended consequences could be devastating, leading to further extinctions and ecological imbalances. Furthermore, the ecological roles once played by extinct animals may have been filled by other species or rendered obsolete by environmental changes. The resurrected animal, once a keystone species, may find itself unable to thrive in its former habitat, its niche no longer available. The reintroduction effort, however well-intentioned, could ultimately result in the animal's demise, a tragic reminder of the complexities of ecological restoration. Navigating the ecological equation of de-extinction requires meticulous planning, rigorous risk assessment, and a willingness to adapt our strategies as new information emerges. It is a delicate balancing act, requiring us to weigh the potential benefits of restoring lost biodiversity against the risks of disrupting existing ecosystems. Section 3. A new era of stewardship: rewriting our relationship with nature. The prospect of de-extinction challenges us to rethink our relationship with nature, moving beyond exploitation towards a holistic approach to stewardship. We must create a world where resurrected animals can thrive, valuing and protecting biodiversity for future generations. Imagine a future where de-extinction sparks a global conservation movement, inspiring new generations to protect our planet. Lessons from de-extinction can help mitigate climate change, restore ecosystems, and create a sustainable future. De-extinction is about redefining our place in nature, acknowledging our interconnectedness with all living things. Our survival is linked to the planet's health. We have a unique opportunity to rewrite our relationship with nature. By embracing de-extinction, we can create a future where humanity and nature thrive. Extinct creatures can become living testaments to our commitment to a biodiverse future. Section 1. The dawn of rewilding. A future painted with the colors of the past. The journey of de-extinction, from the icy depths of permafrost to the cutting-edge laboratories where ancient DNA is brought to life, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. But it also beckons us to imagine a future where the boundaries between science fiction and reality continue to blur, a future where the ghosts of the past walk among us once more. Imagine a world where the woolly mammoth's thunderous footsteps once again shake the Arctic tundra, their massive forms shaping the landscape and creating a haven for a rich tapestry of life. Imagine the awe-inspiring sight of a saber-toothed cat stalking through tall grasses, its presence restoring balance to ecosystems thrown off-kilter by human intervention. The de-extinction of these magnificent creatures, while fraught with challenges and ethical complexities, holds the potential to redefine our relationship with the natural world. It invites us to move beyond the paradigm of loss and regret, to envision a future where the echoes of extinction are met with the resounding chorus of revival. This is not merely a return to the past, but a bold leap into a future painted with the colors of a wilder, more biodiverse world. It is a future where the lessons learned from our past mistakes guide our actions, where the consequences of extinction serve as a stark reminder of our responsibility to protect the web of life. Section 2. A legacy restored: our pact with the planet and the promise of revival. The pursuit of de-extinction is about forging a new pact with our planet, built on respect and understanding the interconnectedness of all living things. Humanity's fate is linked to our planet's biodiversity. Reviving extinct creatures symbolizes our potential to heal the natural world. It's a testament to our innovation, collaboration, and compassion. True revival requires a shift in values, recognizing our well-being is linked to healthy ecosystems. Our legacy will be determined by our actions to protect biodiversity. Let us choose wisely, act decisively, and work tirelessly to create a thriving world.